Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute watermelon slice. Are you ready to get started? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's begin. First, let's start by drawing a big D-shaped half circle in the middle of the page. This will be the shape of our watermelon slice. Perfect! Now, let's draw two more half circles inside the first one. These will create the layers of the watermelon, the skin, the white part, and the yummy red fruit. Awesome! Now, let's give our watermelon slice some personality. Let's draw two big, cute eyes right in the middle. And of course, we need a smile. Let's add a silly, happy mouth.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Look how adorable our watermelon slice is already. But wait, it's missing something. Let's add some seeds scattered all around the slice. Our drawing is complete. Isn't it looking great? Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Look at that! Our watermelon slice is dancing and smiling. It looks so cute! Now it's time to add some fun colors to make it even more exciting. Let's start with the pink color for the inside of our watermelon.
La da 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 dee. Do 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 do.
Now, let's use green color for the inner part of the skin. And for the next layer, we'll use bottle green color. Next, we're going to use red color.
Wow!
Let's use brown color for the seeds to make them pop. And finally, let's add a touch of blue color to the eyes to make them shine. Wow! Look at our colorful and happy watermelon slice.
Yay!
It's looking fantastic. Amazing job, little artists. Our cute watermelon slice is ready to be enjoyed. Keep practicing and drawing more fun things. I can't wait to see what you create next. Thanks for drawing with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.